This is part 1 of my final, where I'm going to be multiplying, adding, dividing, and subtracting fractions. So for the first problem, it's two fractions to multiply together. Numerator and denominator cannot be 0 or 1. So I'm doing 2 over 3 times 3 over 5. When you multiply fractions, you multiply the numerators and the denominators, so you're just multiplying across, which is going to give us 6 over 15. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. And you're going to find the greatest common divisor, which would be 5. So since 15 divided by 3 is 5, we're also going to do the same to the top. And that's going to give us 2 over 5. So 6 over 15 is 2 over 5 in its simplest form. For the second problem, I'm going to multiply two mixed numbers. Numerator and denominator can't be 0 or 1. So I'm going to do 2 and 3/7 times 3 and 5/8. When you're multiplying mixed numbers, you want to convert them to an improper fraction, and you do that by multiplying the denominator times the mixed number plus the numerator. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3 is 17 over 7 times 8 times 3 is 24 plus 5 is 29 over 8. Then we're just multiplying across, and we get 493 over 56. We can simplify this into a mixed fraction by dividing 56 into 493. 56 goes into 493 8 times, which is 448. And then we're going to subtract. We're going to borrow 1. So it becomes 13 minus 8 is 5. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So it becomes 8 and 45 over 56, because 56 goes in 8 times, 45 left over. Next one is to divide two fractions. Numerator and denominator can't be 0 or 1. 4 over 7 divided by 5 over 9. And to divide fractions, you multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So that's 4 over 7 times 9 over 5. Multiply across. 4 times 9 is 36. 7 times 5 is 35. And this also can equal 1 and 1 over 35, because 35 goes into 36 one time with 1 left over. Next, I'm dividing two mixed numbers. So we're doing 4 and 3 over 5 divided by 3 and 2 over 7. So again, 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3 is 23 over 5 divided by 7 times 3 is 21 plus 2 is 23 over 7. And we multiply by the reciprocal, 23 over 5 times 7 over 23. Now we can cancel out the 23's because it's a common factor, and that leaves us with 7 over 5, or it also be 1 and 2/5. 5 goes into 7 one time with 2 left over. Next, I'm going to add two fractions with unlike denominators. So 3 over 4 plus 5 over 6. And we want to find the greatest common factor of 4 and 6, which is 12. So 3 over 4, we do times 3, because 4 times 3 is 12. We do the same to the top. So we get 9 over 12, and for this side we're going to multiply by 2, because 6 times 2 is 12. So then we're going to add 6 plus 2 is 6 times 2 is 12, 5 times 2 is 10. This equals 19 over 12, or it also can be an improper fraction of 1 and 7 over 12, because 12 goes into 19 one time with 7 left over. Okay. For my next problem, I'm going to add two mixed numbers with unlike denominators. So 2 and 5 11ths plus 3 and 7 eighths. 11 times 2 is 22, plus 5 is 27 over 11. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 7 is 31. So then we're going to find the greatest common factor of 11 and 8, and that's going to be 8. 11 times 8 is 88, so we're going to multiply by 8. And then we're going to, on the other side, we're going to multiply by 11, because 11 times 8 is 88. So that's going to give us 216 over 88 plus 341 over 88. We're going to add 341 plus 216 is 557 over 88. And this is in the simplest form because there's no common factors other than 1. But again, we also could turn to a mixed number by dividing 88 into 557. 88 goes into 557 6 times, which is 528. And then we subtract. 17 minus 8 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. So then we have 6 and 29 over 88. For my next one, I'm going to subtract two fractions with unlike denominators. And the numerator and denominator can't be 0. It can't be 1, and the denominator can't be 0. 5 over 11 minus 2 over 9. I'm going to find the least common multiple of 11 and 9, which is 99. 11 times 9 is 99. So for our first fraction, we multiply by 9, because 11 times 9 is 99. On the second side, we're going to do times 11, 2 times 11, and 9 times 11, 22 over 99. So we have 45 over 99 minus 23 over 99. And this is in its simplest form because 23 is not a factor of 99 and is a prime number. For the next problem, I'm subtracting two mixed numbers with unlike denominators. The first number has to be a fractional component less than 1/2, and the second one has to be a fractional component greater than a half. So I'm going to do 5 3/11 minus 6 over 7. 3 over 11 is less than a half, and 6, oh, I meant to say in 2 6/7. 6 over 7 is greater than a half. So we do 11 times 5, 55 plus 3, 58 over 11. 7 times 2, 21. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 6 is 20 over 7. And the least common multiple, 11 and 7 is 77. And so for the first fraction, 58 over 11, we're going to multiply it by 7, get 77. And then for the other side, we're going to multiply by 11. And that gives us 220 over 77. I'm just going to erase this to give me more room. So now we have 406 over 77 minus 220 over 77. 406 minus 220 is 186 minus 77. And you can turn that into an improper fraction. Again, if you wanted, 77 goes into 186 twice, which is 154. And then we subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 5 is 3. So it would be 2 and 32 over 77. And that are the 8 problems that I am doing for part 1 of my final. Thank you.